Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to remove Gemini from power button on your Xiaomi 15T. The feature that activates Gemini when you press and hold the power button is a software setting, but if you don't want that anymore on your phone, you can always disable that. Okay, so let's go to settings and you have to scroll down and tap additional settings. Now go to gesture shortcuts and go to launch digital assistant. So please make sure that this switcher is off. And once you disable this setting, every single next time that you press and hold the power button, you can see that no Gemini assistant appears on my screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.